really quick, Kim, I see that I mispronounced your name. I didn't know it was Prather. I called you Prather. Sorry.
Yeah, no, I wanted to get it right by the end. It's good.
Yeah. There we go. Okay. There's a question here. People have stopped waiting 20 minutes in between their aerosol generating patients or people. And what your thoughts are on that. The wait time, that was essentially just, I think we were directed to wait 15 minutes between patients when they thought it was primarily droplet transmitted. But does that still have relevance if we're talking about a primarily aerosol transmissible disease?
Well, that relates back to my my explanation of air changes per hour. If your facility is only at 3 air changes per hour, then waiting 15-20 minutes between the generation event will reduce the level of aerosol in your space. And so we generally recommend definitely allowing time for your ventilation system to clean the air. Now, if you supplement it with UV and your air changes are at 17, or you've supplemented with an air cleaner, so now your air changes are at 7, then the time between events can drop significantly to allow for the room to be cleaned appropriately.
Great.